everyone, I am one letter word. I am selfish and think about myself.
Hello everyone, I am Boy. I am two-letter word. We show togetherness. Hello everyone, I am three letters word. I am dangerous word with spoil relation. Hello everyone, I am kind. I am four letters word. I kind towards the animals. Hello everyone, I am smile. I am five letters word. Smile makes you look beautiful, so keep smile.
Hi everyone, I am Kumar. I am most dangerous six-letter word. Ever believe me?
Hello everyone, I am success. I am seven-letter word which makes you famous all over the world. Hello everyone, I am jealousy. I am eight-letter word. Jealousy is most dangerous word which spoils whole life. Hello everyone, I am knowledge. I am nine-letter word. I am full of wisdom and intelligence.
Hello everyone, I am confident. The most powerful 10 letters word which improves our personality. So be confident.
Now I will tell which word we should adapt in our life. I. No. We. Yes. Ego. No. Kind. Yes. Smile. Rumor. No. Success. Yes. Knowledge. Yes. Confidence. Yes. Now I would tell which word we should not adapt in our life. I, ego, rumor, jealousy. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.